Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about SATS and the fact that you can literally just do this one technique and you will get your manifestation overnight. This has happened to me countless amount of times. I will never stop talking about it. It is literally like I'm shouting from the rooftops. You can get your manifestation overnight by just doing SATS. Listen to me, people. Like, how have I been showing you guys my success stories on SATS for this long, and so many people are still like, no, it doesn't work, or no, I can't do it. So I'm going to be giving you inspiration on SATS, and I'm going to be sharing with you my subscriber success story. And if you have any that you would like to share in the comments down below, I would love to hear it. So let's get into the video. But before we do, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, if you would like to book a one-on-one coaching with me, or if you would like to join a collective coaching, all of the information will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can go on RitaKaminski.com and all of the information will be there as well. Let's roll the clip of Dewan, who manifests successfully a viral video on IG Reels through SATS, and this happened overnight. Roll the clip.
Hi guys, so I wanted to share my success story with you that I had using SATS technique. Now, I have had successes with every technique that I have used, but this one is a bit different. So after watching Rita's video on how she manifested 100k subscribers, I decided to give it a try, and I focused on myself getting 1 million followers on Instagram, right? The next day, my reel went viral and I got like 700k plus views. Now, mind you, before that, I only used to get 1000 views or less than that per reel, right? I still haven't reached 1 million followers on Instagram. That's because I told my mind I want to take it slow, and I was very scared of like so many views and followers. So what I want to say is, if you tell your mind and you stick to any technique, I have had all kind of techniques work for me, okay? Even affirmations, scripting, everything, you will get your manifestation.
So I have been consistently seeing Dewan in the comments consistently saying that she wants to manifest social media fame. She had a couple of questions here and there, but at the end of the day, guys, she just did it, right? Even if there were problems, because yeah, there might be some doubts and there might be thoughts like, am I doing this right? But guys, at the end of the day, I'm telling you, you just have to put your big girl pants on and just do it. It's very simple. All you have to do is close your eyes and visualize or affirm that of which you want. That's it. Visualize or affirm. So if you're manifesting your SP, you pick one affirmation. That's it. Do not overcomplicate it. Your subconscious mind knows exactly what you mean. Just by saying, I am with my SP, just by you repeating that over and over and over again until you fall asleep, that will imprint on your subconscious mind in one night. You don't even have to do this 100% correctly. You can literally just do 50% of it correctly. You can affirm a little bit and start daydreaming about other things and then fall asleep, and it will still happen, you guys. This is so easy. And it's not like robotic affirming where you're non-stop repeating all day every day until it happens. It's one night. This isn't clickbait when I tell you that if you do SATS overnight, at least 50% correct, it will come out in your reality. I'm so confident in this that I want you to comment your success story with SATS. Your success story, and you sharing your successes is riding on the thousands of people that are going to come down into the comment section and check to see if this is real. But I'm telling you guys, I went from working a 9 to 5 to traveling the world whenever I want, working 1 hour of the day and just doing anything that I want, literally anything that I want. I have all the time in the world to manifest. I have all the time in the world to spend time with my family, with my friends, with my partner, with my pets. I can go on walks. I can do anything that I want. And I feel fulfilled and purposeful because I am helping so many people. So many people that I can't even fathom. What did I do? I fell asleep and I visualized myself having 100,000 subscribers. And literally overnight, if you would like to see that video, it will be in the card up above. I talk about step by step how to use SATS. Literally overnight, guys, my stop playing video started getting more comments and more views, and it just became a snowball effect from there. It's very rare, I feel, that a creator can pinpoint exactly the moment where they started growing. And I can tell you guys that I was at 30,000 subscribers. I started doing SATS. This is the reason why I'm at 205,000 right now. Just by this alone, I'm telling you. I go into my bed, I close my eyes, and I envision RitaKaminski 100,000 subscribers. It is imprinted in my mind like a stamp. And it is not going away, baby, until I fall asleep. How do I know that it's imprinted? Because I'm not thinking about anything else. And even if I am, I'm just reverting myself back. If you guys have ever meditated and you are focusing on a noise and your job is like to consistently bring yourself back, bring your attention back and focus onto that noise, because we're humans, it's natural, it's totally fine that we start thinking about what we want to eat for breakfast the next morning, or what should I wear, or does Jake really like me? That's totally fine. We're not making ourselves feel bad. We are simply just reverting ourselves back to the white noise if you're meditating, or you're just reverting back to that affirmation or to that image. I have 100,000 subscribers. I would have said that if I was more into affirmations, but I'm a visual gal, and seeing that image in my mind, RitaKaminski 100,000 subscribers, was what did it for me over fucking night. The same with Muskan, the same with thousands, hundreds of thousands of other people. Go on Twitter, go on Tumblr, SATS success stories. YouTube, SATS success stories. It's fucking crazy. It's so crazy that it's like out in the open like this, and it's just such an underestimated, overlooked underdog of the law of fucking assumption and manifesting in general. What are we doing, guys? Come on. Neville talked about this. So many other creators after him talked about this. People that are not creators and they just did it for their manifestation talk about this, and you're not doing it? Come on now, come on. And I know that the main problem, the main question I'm getting with my clients, with just people in the comments is, but Rita, I fall asleep too quick. Guys, I wish I had that problem. I swear to God. Listen, you need to take this seriously. You need to look at it the same as when you are going to wake up to go to work. If they told you to be there at 8 a.m., you are disciplined, you are doing everything in your power to get to work at 8 a.m. So help you God. So that is the same way that you should be looking at using SATS, because that is the only way that you're going to be consistent with this. So treat it like a job, treat it like studying, or you have an assignment coming up, or you have a due date. Your due date is every night. You are telling yourself, Amy, I'm looking at you, Amy. I am telling myself that as soon as my head hits that pillow, I'm going to be thinking of that image in my mind. It's going to be in my mind. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be fragments of the image. It doesn't have to be like a picture perfect picture in your mind, okay? It could be little fragments, it could be a little bit fuzzy. It doesn't matter as long as your intention is that you are manifesting your SP, you're seeing that image in your mind, that you guys are kissing at the altar or whatever the image is that you have decided. To be honest, at this point, it doesn't even matter what the image is or what the affirmation is. What matters the most is that you are diligent and disciplined in doing this. So you're telling yourself, Amy, as soon as my head hits the pillow, now I know now that I am known to fall asleep straight away when I go to bed. That's okay, that's fine. As long as when I am going to bed, I have that image in my mind, and as soon as my head hits the pillow, that image is still going, it's still going, it's still going, and you're falling asleep. It is the easiest thing ever. My problem is that my head hits the pillow and I just get easily distracted, or I just can't fall asleep because I get so excited about my manifestation. To that I say, you will eventually fall asleep. Keep being diligent and disciplined about this. Keep having that image in your mind, or keep repeating that affirmation over and over and over again until you fall asleep. Be patient with this. Would you rather do this and get your manifestation or not do it? You're going to be falling asleep anyways. You are literally going to be falling asleep anyways. Why are people going to the fucking gym to lose weight? They're disciplined in that, or they're doing their best at school and they're getting the highest grades, or they are doing the most at work and they're getting promotions every year, they're getting raises and bonuses every year, they're able to up-level their life and up-level their life and up-level their life, and you don't even have to do any of that. I'm telling you, you can literally do anything that you want during the day. You can waver, you can affirm against. This is how powerful this is. Look up The Ladder Technique by Neville Goddard, where he tells people to imagine themselves climbing a ladder, but then during the day they're affirming against that. They're just saying, I will not climb a ladder. And somehow it's not up to you to decide how. It just, in Russian it's called naladitsa. It just falls into place without you even organizing, planning, or thinking about anything. It just naturally happens. Without any explanation, the person's on a ladder. Even though they have affirmed against, I will not climb a ladder. I will not climb a ladder. I will not climb a motherfucking ladder. Okay? So, can you do that? Like, you have to go to sleep and be disciplined about this, like people that are going to work are disciplined about going to work and making it at 8 a.m. Or like people are disciplined to go to the gym. They are at the gym every day because they know that the result is weight loss. They're able to lose weight. They're able to get raises and promotions. They're able to get good marks. Why can't you? Why are you missing out in something that most people don't know about? And you don't even have to put in 1% of the effort. You are literally just going to sleep every single fucking night with one image or one affirmation. It could not get any simpler than that. Literally, you can have mental breakdowns all throughout the day. You can question yourself. You can have the shittiest self-concept. You can literally affirm so against this manifestation. But as long as you are dedicated and diligent and consistent and persisting in your manifestation, in continuing to have that image in your mind, that of your desire coming about, whether it's an image of you cuddling in bed at night with your partner, whether it is you holding $1 million, whether it's you sitting first class and having a glass of champagne, like just an image of you holding a glass of champagne and a jet. Or whether you like affirming, that's totally fine. You do not need to visualize. I get this question every single time on my SATS videos, even though I am so clear in my videos in saying that you do not need to visualize. You don't need to visualize and affirm. You can just affirm. Trust me when I say this. If you want to manifest anything and you're an affirming girly, I'm living my best life. I'm living my happiest timeline. Whatever you are wanting to manifest, I am married to John. I'm living in a mansion. Whatever it is. Okay? So try SATS tonight and let me how you go in the comments down below. I have re-inspired myself because every time I do SATS, the timeline of my manifestation coming about starts to play out and it's super exciting and then it gets scary and I'm like, oh my God. But let's do this together. Let's be disciplined and do SATS every single night and not feel bad if we skip one night, okay? Let's be diligent, disciplined, and persist in our manifestations together. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.